We want to get our pool open. This is how you can do it yourself. So first thing we're going to do is assume that the pool equipment's been winterized the previous season. We're going to start by making sure that everything's been purged in terms of the pool pump. We're going to make sure all the lines are connected. We're going to make sure all the drain plugs have been installed. And we're going to open up all the valves so we can start circulating the water through the pump in the system. So we had the big reveal. It's disgusting. It's nasty water. But with the power of pool chemicals, in 2 weeks' time, this is going to be the same water you're going to swim in. So our next step is going to be putting our hands into the skimmer to pull the plug. Next thing we're going to do is purge the pool pump so it doesn't burn out on us. So we're purging the air from the lines with water from the hose, but we're also priming the pump at the same time so it doesn't burn out. All right, our next step is we're gonna turn the pool pump on so we can take all this excess water and get it out of the pool and away. Next step, to get this water as clean as it possibly can, you have to agitate it. We agitate it by scrubbing it with a brush right here. Next step is we're going to pull out the freeze plug. So it's a one-way valve that prevents water from returning back in the lines and freezing and exploding. All right, so we're getting towards the end of this. Next thing we're gonna do is turn off the pump. We're gonna change our dial from waste to recirculate. We want the water in the pool to circulate around, not necessarily go through the filter just yet. There's gonna be a lot of stuff that's gonna be dying as the chlorine kills it all. We wanna raise the pH and the alkalinity to the levels where they need to be optimal for the pool in order for the chlorine to be able to do its job effectively. So if any of you know or are familiar with the big blue jug, this is 5 gallons of, from what I understand, to be the most concentrated chlorine that you can buy. This is typically meant for opening the pool when you have really, really dirty, cloudy water like this. It's gonna shock it to the highest it possibly can to kill everything in here and let you start fresh. Dump the whole thing in there. Some people are gonna tell you to put this in a bucket and dilute it. This is what you really do.